Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we will see the concept of single shot detector, that is SSD, short latency object detection using SSD part-1 video. The previous session I explained about the fast R signal. Please kindly check the playlist whenever want more clarifications and feel free to comment in the comment box. So here single shot detector. So is one of the familiar algorithm for object detection and always using the single network. And moreover, there will be some difference between image classification and the object detection also according to the field of computer vision here. So object detection here with the help of single shot detector, what you can do? It can detect the object in the image with the location also. Where is exactly the object in the image? Let's see the input image here. We have a mobile and laptop. This is the small image and this is the layered architecture of single shot detector here. And also it followed by the within 16 network and with the help of this one is generating the extracted feature map here. And these consists of 6 convolution layers. We are having the 8732. That means whenever the object is there, every single object detected with the help of these many predictions. That means 8732 predictions like that. Each object like that only. And this layer consists of object detection, at last having the non-max suppression. This is for removing the duplicate one. If anything, any object available duplicate something, it may reduce it with the help of non-max suppression here. So single shot detector helpful to identify the objects at concept 6 layers for detecting the object also with the location. Where is exactly the image present in the image like that. And let's say the example again we have, and if you want to present the concept now, the difference between things, that means input to the SSD like this, like that. That means the input consists of a one example you have a mobile and a laptop. This is consists of ground truth and the predicate truth here. So we have to count the IOV level. Based on that only you can predict everything. Remaining will continue the next session. Thank you for watching.